This isn't a step-by-step video on how to rejet your bike. There are plenty of videos out there to show you that. This is one to simply show you you don't have to remove the carb, you don't have to remove the tank, you don't have to buy special tools and drill out the plug. We've got two of them. I've rejetted both of them. Remove the side panels so you can get to the carb. Then on the left side, get the crankcase canister out of the way, drain the fuel, loosen up the clamps on the airbox and the engine side, get the airbox hose out of the way, disconnect the fuel drain hose. I don't disconnect anything else. Then you can work the carb out and you can see there's the bowl. I can get to everything I need to. Just put a rag down to hold it up in place, but there it all is. I can get to everything I need to get to. This will show you I can get the bowl off and then the jets are exposed. I can also get the plug out of the way so I can replace the fuel mixture screw with something that you can adjust by hand, eliminating that factory mixture screw and getting that plug out of the way. Sorry for the silence, but I was listening to music while I work in my garage and don't need any copyright infringements from YouTube. There it is. I can replace both the jets now and put it back together. You can see I use a machine head screw just big enough to bite into that plug. I start screwing it in. As soon as it starts to bite, right about there, now I just grab a pair of pliers and you'll notice I keep twisting the screw as if to tighten it as I pull on the plug. The screw is brass, the threads will clamp in, and it'll pop right out. No drilling, no cranking a screw in there and yanking on it. And then there's the idle mixture screw, that little D-shaped screw that the factory puts in there. To get that plug out of there, you don't need to buy a special tool. You can use a pocket screwdriver. Again, the top of that screw is D-shaped, so there's a flat side. Simply put that little pocket screwdriver in there on the flat side, counterclockwise, it'll come right out. You see I just kind of work it in there, and then I just start turning it. It'll work itself out. You'll see where I get to the end, just kind of bang on the carb to get that screw to pop out. No need to buy the special tool. There it is, completely loose. So I'm just going to tap on the carb, get it to rattle out. And there it is, your factory idle screw. It's actually a fuel mixture screw. It's on the engine side. And there it is, a little flat spot on the head, the D shape. Just put the screwdriver on there, work it out. There's my aftermarket replacement. Run that all the way into the needle seats. Don't over tighten it. Then once it's in there, 2.5 turns is always a good starting point, and then you can adjust it from there. And with this idle mixture screw, I can just reach down and give it a quarter a turn, half a turn, whatever I think, to make the adjustment. You see I'll take a Sharpie, I'll mark the corner, that way I don't lose my space. So we're going to go from 12 o'clock. There's one. 2.5 turn to finish it off. And we're good to go. You can see from the other side I can access the top of the carb to shim the needle and also drill out the vacuum ports. So I never remove the carburetor completely. I don't fight with the tank. I don't fight with the throttle cables. Nothing. And that's it. Just wanted to save you some time and money and headache. Pretty easy job to do. Have fun out there.